Hi, Ross here from Biker Talk. You're never too old to learn to ride a motorcycle, but how young should you be when you start? In this video, I'll be talking to Riley, a young dirt biker who's been riding around his local bush tracks on his Kawasaki for a few years now. If you enjoy this video, please leave a like and subscribe, and if you'd like to get involved, message me through the Biker Talk Facebook page.
I'm Riley. I ride a 140R Kawasaki and I've been riding for 4 years. When I was in kindergarten, I remember my friend always telling me, oh, you should come ride one day at the PCYC. So I asked my dad and all that and I persuaded him and he got me the Pee 50 and that's when I started riding around there. I'm a trail rider mostly. I do sometimes like going on like the jump tracks and all them, but yeah, I'm usually a trail rider just around here. I ride the KLX 140R Kawasaki. What I like about it is how smooth the engine is. You don't need to do oil changes every ride, you just get it and go straight away. It's a little bit on the heavy side, but it's pretty movable and everything. I've had a Pee 50 when I was little. I had a KTM 50 and a KTM 65. Well, I'm probably looking for an upgrade, so maybe a Kawasaki or Honda CRF 230 or a KLX 230. Maybe for my first one, I might get a motard, just one of those, or maybe a Triumph for an L legal one. Probably my dad's R1 that he had. I really like that bike. Well, I like riding just down from my house, but also one of my favorite tracks are either Louis or there's this new MX Dome that looks pretty cool. There's these couple tracks down from my house and there's been all these water ditches and everything, and you go over this little jump, yeah, and you don't know that there's water underneath it, and then you go splash straight into the water. Maybe somewhere where there's heaps of river crossings, something like that, but not deep ones because I don't want to break my bike or anything, but yeah, something like that. Sometimes when I come home from school, I'm all tired or stressed or something, I just hop on my bike and it just gets my mind off everything and I'm having fun, and yeah. Because when I was started on the 65, I was just nah, all the way up the hill first gear. So try not to do that. Ride to your ability, don't do stuff that you're not sure about.
So I think that's some pretty good advice there from Riley. Make sure you get out of first gear, but ride to your ability. If you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe. And remember, you can't buy happiness, but you can ride a motorcycle, and that's kind of the same thing.